Hello, I'm Saxon, a key account manager here at RETRA Fluid Handling Systems. Today I want to show you this 20-foot mobile Lubestation for infield top-up of haul trucks. This Lubestation is for one of our valued clients, BHP, for two new areas of their mine. It's going to be situated just outside the pit at a refuelling area. Having the units in that area, just outside the pit, saves them having to drive back to the fixed facility, which saves them time and money and fuel. It's also reduced the dependence on service trucks. In this situation, the client's opted for a mounting platform on one end. They're going to put their diesel compressor on there so that the unit can be powered while it's out by the pit. So we've got 4 oils in one end of the container that are double stacked, partitioned in the middle, and then space for storage in the other end. Being in the field, there's limited protected storage space available, so we've opted to maximise space in this container for storage of other items in one end. Some of the features this Lubestation has is 4 Graco piston pumps for oils. They've got 20-metre hose reels there to reach out to the haul trucks, and electronic fluid meter handpieces. Here at RETRA we've got a wide range of suppliers we have access to, including Graco and McLube, McNaught, so we can fit these units out with whatever pumps that you carry spares with on site. This means we can supply equipment that aligns with whatever critical spares you've got on site. These Lubestations have been manufactured to a very high standard that we hold here at RETRA. Some features like stainless steel pipework inside, obviously bonded to the Australian standards and fully relocatable. These are a turnkey solution that are factory tested, so they can be put in use as soon as they're delivered to site.